Hi guys, today I want to show you how we can use a time map in Unity. So first of all, of course you need some sprites. I didn't make the sprites myself, I just downloaded it from the asset store. So I'll just open the package manager and you can see pixel art top down basic here. You can just download it from the asset store as well, it's for free. And I'm gonna import it. Import. And let's just import all of it. Okay, now it's done and we can look at what we have here. Okay, so the things we need are the tile palettes. As you can see, we have 3 of them. The grass tiles, the stone ground tiles and wall tiles. And we can start making the tile map with these. Let's create a 2D object tile map, and it's going to be rectangular because we have square tiles. Yes, it's going to be like this, and let's just make 3 tile maps for now. I'm going to show why later. So in the first tile map, we need another tab to paint the tiles actually. And we get it from the window tab and then to the tile palette. As you can see here, we have our tile palette. We can get the grass. So if you don't have a tile palette, if you didn't just download this pack, then you probably don't have a tile palette. And what you have to do is you're going to see create new palette here and you're going to click on that and it's going to create a palette for you, and you can just leave that all at default and click create. Just select F file and then we have our new palette, and what we are going to do is we're going to get our tiles here, the sprites, and you can just drag them here and you're going to have them here. So we already have one palette, 3 actually, so I'm going to choose one from that and we can just start painting. So the most important feature here is probably the brush. So you just select tiles here and then you can paint with them. Or what you could also do is you could select like this. So click and hold and just get all of these and you can then paint with these. Or you could also here get a box, select the tile and then fill this box with the sprite. So to erase these tiles you could choose a brush and then shift and click, or you could also here get the erasing tool and do it like this. So that's actually pretty simple. You could also just add some flowers around places. I'm just gonna decorate it a bit, or for example add these tiles, so you could do anything you want actually. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make another time map. So as you can see we already have 3 time maps added, and these values can actually stay at default most of the time. I'm just going to set this to 1, the order layer, and the other one to 2. What it's going to do is if the number is bigger, it's going to display this time map on top. So let's just start with the second time map, for example, and we are going to choose another tile palette, for example the stone ground. Let's just, or do we have any ceilings? I don't think we do. Yeah, I don't think we do. So let's choose a stone ground, for example, and then we can choose this. We are going to make a house, for example, and then this is going to be the ceiling. So you could also just start with the base of the house, but I'm going to do it the other way around. So I chose the third time map now, and this is going to be the one that's displayed on top. So let's just get these. As you can see, you can now paint with it. I'm gonna set it here, and then we can get this one, or this, here, and then this here. Or we could do some other shapes like this, this. So this one here. Like you could make anything you want with the sprites. And oh, I think there's some space here, so I'm gonna fix that. Let's just do this first. And then also this. Here and here. You could just select this. And we can now come back to the second time map, choose the stone ground, and get this here. Well, now we can see it behind it. Let's just not do that. There's probably some other way to do it, but I don't know. We don't really have ceiling ties, so I guess I'm just gonna leave it like this. If you had ceiling sprites, for example, you wouldn't have. Just have a look at it again. Yeah, we have like 1 pixel space. It doesn't really matter. And what we can also do is we have the select tool here. You could just get to timeout 2, for example, and then select this, and then select move. Select the move tool and move it here, for example. You could also do it with the stone ground here. Just select this, and then with the move tool you can move it on top of the house. And that's actually it. On camera you can sit like this, which looks pretty good. So that's how you can use the time map. And that's it for the video. If you have any suggestion on what other tutorials I can do, you can leave it in the comments. And see you in another video.